Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances. Ngayong May 2026, this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Capricorn. Ano ang energies ng kaperahan, trabaho nyo, business, career, imagination. Mas magiging malakas ang inyong imahinasyon. Ayan, mas magiging creative kayo. Pwedeng, you will get into arts, music, you will tap into your talents, abilities, na pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan, become a source of income. O, diba? Kailangan mo, creativity talaga. Merong downloads dito, maaring may realization ka, like a eureka moment na, oh, okay, this is a great idea to become a source of income, or pwedeng yung talento mo ay magagamit mo sa career, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. This is like a master creator. Oy, Capricorn, you are divinely guided in this project, in this career path, in this business. Marami kayong mga signs na marireceive. Ayan may yung color nito is in your crown chakra. So, divine downloads, divine guidance, very spiritual. Some of you Capricorn are into spirituality, divination. Yun yung career path for you, or that is your way to help others through healing. Okay? Or ano man tong pinupurso mo sa career mo, ikaw ay mas magiging creative, mas exciting for you, mas inspired. Sage. Sage is like, cleansing. So, yung iba sa inyo, you're purifying, releasing the negative energies around you. You are grounding. Very important for you, Capricorn. If nasa stressful situation ka sa career, business, trabaho, ground yourself. So, paano ba yung grounding na yan? Napakasimple. Isa sa pinakasimple is maglakad ka ng walang saplot sa paa, walang sapatos. Like, directly connected ka sa earth, sa lupa. Pwede ka maglakad sa park. Basta hindi siya sa sa semento. Like, sa lupa talaga, sa grass, ganyan. That's one way to ground yourself. It will definitely help you recharge. Kasi minsan, sobrang pagod. Tapos, hindi tayo masyado nagiging productive because of yung mga residue pa of what we did in the past. Oh, magiging busy ka as a bee. You're going to focus more on success. Hindi ka nga magpapadistract sa paligid mo. Kumbaga, parang, alam mo yung mga kabayo, di ba? Meron silang blinders na para focus sila dun sa goal nila, makarating dun sa finish line. Nilalagyan sila ng blinders. So, I see you being like that, na focus sa goal, sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve. And you will definitely see the results nung iyong mga pinaghirapan. You also have Pegasus. Pegasus is triumph. Like, meron ka celebration. I-celebrate mo yung success ng trabaho mo, ng career mo, ng projects mo. And you will see indefinite potentials. Indefinite or infinite potentials. Kumbaga, ang dami mag-open na possibilities, na opportunities para sa'yo. Okay. O, diba? Speaking of possibilities and opportunities, this is finally stepping out of your comfort zone. I also see na may mga planning kang ginagawa kung paano mo mas ma-expand, ma-explore yung iyong career, yung iyong trabaho. Some of you are considering traveling abroad or working abroad or changing careers. Speaking of changing careers, you have the Wheel of Fortune. So ito ay something, a career, a business, or a source of income na destined talaga para sa'yo. Ito talaga yung sasabihin na, this is your calling. You are divinely guided. You have the Three of Swords. Meron ditong disappointment about a situation in your career or business. And I think ito yung parang magiging catalyst mo dun sa pagbabago na yon. Na, for example, sa career mo, kung hindi naman talaga yan yung para sa'yo talaga, yung calling mo, pwedeng may mga disappointments ka doon that will trigger you to change careers. Halimbawa, toxic na talaga yung trabaho. Magre-resign ka, tapos ipupurso mo yung passion mo, ipupurso mo yung abilities mo, yung talents mo, yung skills mo. You also have the Five of Cups. Some of you kasi, meron ditong missed opportunity na akala mo na dumaan na sa'yo, wala na yon, hindi na babalik. Maring babalik yon dahil meron ka pang chance na patunayan yung sarili mo. Kailangan lang na do not dwell on the past, do not dwell on the pain. You can just feel the pain and then after that, you can move forward. Alam naman natin na napakadali lang yan para sa mga Capricorn. But, ang mga Capricorn naman kasi in dealing with pain and suffering and, challenges, sinasarili lang nila. That's how they process things. Akala ng iba, walang nararamdaman ng mga Capricorn, but they have a different way of processing problems and challenges. So for you, you will give yourself a chance kung merong napalagpas kang pagkakataon, oportunidad sa trabaho, career, or business, maaring magbabalik to sa'yo ngayong May at this time, hindi mo na to pakakawalan. Okay? Step forward now and sing your song. There is power in finding your voice. Ayan. So this is about your true self. You're going to sing your song. Kumbaga, hindi mo na iaasa yung kapalaran mo sa iba. You will focus on what you really want to achieve at yung destination na gusto mong mapuntahan. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. So this is you na nagbabago. Merong rebirth for you. It's a brand new you. Pwede yung iba sa inyo, hindi na kayo makikilala ng iba. Kumbaga parang, ikaw ba yan? Di ba ito yung trabaho mo dati? Pinagkakakitaan mo dati? Bakit naging ganito na? So, some people will try to question your choices, but they will never know the reason behind that dahil ikaw lang mas nakakaintindi sa sarili mong desisyon. New opportunities and choices are opening to you now. Claim them. Ayan o. Mas marami kang options. Mas marami kang pagpipilian. So, yan, yung mga yan ay maaring magbubukas sa'yo ngayong May sa career mo, business, or finances. So, make good choices. That is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.